I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the phone the remote mic. This is why you add hearing to Control Center. First, confirm Bluetooth and Airpods are paired, then open Control Center and tap the ear icon. Once done, tap Live Listen to route your iPhone's microphone directly to your Airpods. You're doing this so sound near the phone goes straight to your ears, which helps in noisy rooms or at a distance. Make sure Airpods are in and connected before enabling Live Listen. Once Live Listen is on, position the iPhone toward the person or sound you want to hear. Closer is clearer because the phone's mic captures less background noise. Next, adjust volume using the iPhone or the AirPods controls so speech is natural and not distorted. Also, try single-ear listening if you prefer. Live Listen supports one AirPod and balances sound accordingly. Make subtle adjustments and move the phone to find the sweet spot. Because mic direction. To finish, simply tap the ear icon to stop Live Listen and save battery. If you lose audio, check Bluetooth, AirPods battery, and that the iPhone's microphone isn't blocked. Low battery or interference often causes dropouts. If issues persist, make sure microphone access is allowed. Restart the iPhone and repair the AirPods. This resets the connection. One quick troubleshooting tip. If nothing plays, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then re-enable Live Listen. That usually restores the audio path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.